A difference of today as compared to yesterday is that now you have much younger men and women who are actively voicing their opinion as to how you're doing as a leader and what their expectations of you might be. In the past, there's an argument to be made, certainly in the Army, some of the other industries, that it was unidirectional, or almost so, from top to bottom, from executive down to the person who hammers in the nails or carries the rifle. Not anymore. They have a voice. Very few of them are shy, and they have incredible communications architectures, which means if you talk to one, don't be surprised that on the other end of the country, within 24 hours, you've got 7 or 8 email feeds saying, hey, I heard you talk to Fred. What did you mean by we're going left? I thought we were going right. That, of course, shouldn't stop us from communicating. It's just we have to be better, faster, smarter at it because they expect and demand it of us. Their incredible communicative skills mean that there's a variety of networks of which most of us are not aware, but they certainly are. How do you get them to coalesce and form around your vision of where it is you think your organization has to go? How inclusive of you are you in your decision making? When I was a young lieutenant 30 years ago, and the Army commander came down to have a chinwag with the troops, no one said a word. There's a certain comfort in that. They would always ask if there were questions, and no one would ever say a word. Try that today, in any profession. The folk of today, I believe, are better, they're faster, they're smarter, they're more aware than they were 30 years ago. And they're not in the least bit shy. Nor, and I know you know this, do they sign up for 30-year careers. Nor is they as concerned as I was as a young man as to the potential implications of asking an unpleasant question of a very senior executive. They want a voice. We call it a 10,000-pound finger. They're not afraid in the least bit of tapping you in the chest with that finger and asking hard questions, especially if their jobs or their lives could depend on the outcome of what you say.